Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Jet2 Mastery. In this video, we are going to solve Armstrong number. First, let's understand what is Armstrong number. So, Armstrong number is nothing but an Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its digit each raised to the power of the number. So, while reading the description itself, you couldn't understand anything. I can realize, but let's take with any number as example. So, let's take your number as 153. So, in this 153, what is your count digit, number of digits? So, your number of digits is 3. So, you have to sum up. You have to sum of its digit each raised to the power of the number. What is power of the count number? So, 1 power 3 plus 5 power 3 then 3 power 3 is equal to your given input. Let's take here 1 power 3, 5 power 3, 3 power 3. It's equal to 1 plus 125 plus 27 is equal to 153. So, it is equal to the given input. So, we can say it is a Armstrong number. So, let's take a 125 here. So, if you take 125, the number of digit is 3. So, you have to sum up with each digit's power to the raised to the power of this 3. So, 1 power 3 plus 2 power 3 plus 5 power 3. Then finally you will get 134. In this 134 is not equal to 125. So we can say it is not an Armstrong number. So let's take 1634. In this case, how many digits are there? There is a 4 digits. So you have to sum up each and every digits with the power of 4. So 1 power 4, 6 power 4, 3 power 4, 4 power 4. So when you sum up with these all, finally you will get 1634. So we can say this is an Armstrong number. So concept wise it is very easy. The first thing is you can take your what you have to find. So you have to find this count. Okay. So let's take your input is n. Let's consider your input n. This is the user will enter. N is 153. So the first thing is you have to find number of digit. So your count is 3. You have to find how did we do that? So actually we have solved already this question, right? We have solved. Let's do it again. Suppose if you haven't watched that, find out the count digit, please watch it, then continue with this program. So my count variable is 0. Then I need a backup variable int temp1. Temp1 is fine. Int temp1 is equal to n. Then while my temp1 is greater than 0, next my count plus and I am going to destroy every time temp1 is equal to 10. I have destroyed the last digit. Finally, I have found count. Okay. So I got the count. After that, what I have to do? So I can take both the direction. I can take the digits from both the direction, from left to right or right to left. So I can sum up with 1 power 3 plus 5 power 3 plus 3 power 3. It is equal to 3 power 3 plus 5 power 3 plus 1 power 3. Both are same. Both will give the same answer. And it won't affect your program. It won't affect your entire program, and it is one of the part. You can take sum up with any digit. You can take sum up the digit from any direction, from left to right or right to left. It is depends on your wish. So if you feel like it is easy to take the digits from left to right, yes, you can take it. Suppose if you feel like it is easy to take the digits from right to left, then yes, you can. Okay. So let's do it. First of all, so we have to fetch all the last digit. How can we fetch the last digit? So that is also we have solved already how to fetch the last digit, right? So here I am going to I will explain one more concept. See, initially my answer variable is 0. I am going to sum up all the digits all the digits with concern power to store with this answer variable only. So let's take your while, let's copy this n to some other temporary 2. So your temporary 2 is greater than 0. Then take the last digit. What is your last digit? Last digit equal to temporary 2 remainder of 10. Then you will get the last digit. Then it's nothing but answer equal to answer plus power of last digit comma your count, because you have found the count already. Count is equal to 3. Okay, that's it. In every iteration, after once you have used this 3, then destroy. How to destroy? temp2 is equal to by 10. That's it, guys. That's it. So let's do it. Int temp2 equal to n, int answer equal to 0, while temp2 greater than 0, then get the last digit, your last digit equal to temp2 mod 10. Okay, fine. After that, int answer variable, answer equal to answer plus, so power of, see, we have solved already. The question name is finding the x power n. Okay, so we know how to find x power n with without using inbuilt function, as well as we know that how to use inbuilt function as well. In Java we can use math dot power of, so your last digit comma your count, and it should be given the answer is integer format. So you have to convert your data type as a int, because the answer will form in any data type, but particularly I need integer data type, so I have converted as a int. Okay, after that I am going to update my temp2 equal to temp2 by 10. That's it. I have destroyed the last digit. That's it. So here I am going to check my n is equal to my answer. What I can say? I can say it is a Armstrong. System.out.println of it is Armstrong. Otherwise else what I can, it is system.out.println of it is not Armstrong. Okay, first let's do some dry run, then you can betterly understand. So let's do some dry run. So these are the variable from here itself. Okay, see, in the previous case, what are the things we have found already? My n is 153 and my count is 3. Okay, here my temp2 equal to n means what? That is 153. Okay, answer equal to 0 initially. Okay, fine. Here I am going to enter into the while loop. The condition is temp2. What is temp2? 153 is greater than 0. Yes, condition true. So I am going to fetch the last digit. What is last digit? 3. Okay, after that, answer equal to answer plus, initially answer 0 plus power of my last digit comma count. My count is 3. So 3 power 3, 27. I'll get 27 here. Okay, 27. So finally I have updated my temp2 is equal to temp2 by 10 means I have destroyed the last digit. My temp2 is containing 15 here. So after that, again the loop will continue 15 greater than 0. So last digit is equal to 5. Right, last digit is equal to 5. Then answer equal to answer plus, answer is 27 in this case. 0 plus 27, it is 27. So 27 plus, then power of 5 comma 3. What is 5 comma 3? That is 125, I guess. 125. So 27 plus 125, it is equal to 152. So after that, your temp2 is, you are going to destroy the last digit. So your temp2 now become 1. In this case, 1 greater than 0. Yes, condition true. So last digit is equal to 1. So your answer equal to answer. What is your previous answer? That is 152. So 152 plus power of 1 comma 3. So 1 power 3 is 1 only. So in this case, 152 plus 1, it is 153. 153. So here your temp2 value is, what is 1 by 10 is, it is literally 0. So your temp2 will reach 0. It is 0. After the next iteration, 0 greater than 0, condition false. So it won't go further. That's it. So at the end, your answer variable is containing what? Your answer variable is containing some number that is kind of one kind of answer. So your n value becomes 0. Sorry, your temp2 value becomes 0, but still your n is given number. So still your n is given number. So that I was taking n equal to answer. See, my answer also 153, my n also 153. If both are same, I can say it is a Armstrong number. Otherwise, it is not Armstrong number. So let's check whether our code is working or not. Oh, it is temp 2 by 10. Let's run the code. 153. Yes, 153 is Armstrong. So let's run it again. Then we will give 125. We know that 125 is not Armstrong. Yes, it is not Armstrong. Let's give any single digit number like 8. Yes, we know that 8 is Armstrong, right? 8 power 1 is only 8. 8 is Armstrong. And this is what we are expecting, right? And we got our expected output. I hope you have understood this concept, and it is a very, very important question, guys. It is very, very interview point of the question. So please be revised it, and I hope you have understood, and I will catch up in next interesting problem. Until then, bye bye, take care. Please revise our previous problems.